Granny's Healing. This is a safe place for you to talk about whatever is on your mind. Whether it be sex, drugs, anything dealing with your health, far as anxiety, mental illness, depression, whatever it is, across the spectrum, we can talk about it. From time to time, also, I will have guests coming in to jump on when we go live, to give feedback. You guys can engage in meaningful conversations and, have hopefully make you feel better. But today, I'm going to talk about an all-natural cough suppressant. And here's the ingredients. So what you need is a mason jar. I like this one here. I don't know why the lid come out, but you can just get a regular mason jar. And then I have some garlic and I have some honey. However, I have the ingredients turned backwards because I'm not being endorsed by nobody yet. Hopefully it's coming. Well, anyway, what you would do is you would take the mason jar and just fill it with honey. Well, not fill it, but just like so much, like a fourth or something. Well, a little bit more than a fourth, right here. Then what you would do is take a few garlic peels and put it, you can use whatever garlic you have. I just choose frozen garlic because I like fresh garlic. And I'm gonna put about 6 or 7, 8. That's it. Then what you do is you just turn it upside down, put the lid on, and you just shake it a bit. Just make sure it just get all up over there, all in there, all around there. And so what happens is the garlic will sink to the bottom. And what happens is it pulls out a natural antibiotic. So with that lingering cough you have, this is a suppressant for the cough. It will go away in probably 2 to 3 days. It's for kids 5 and up. Anybody 5 and up. I wouldn't recommend it for nobody 5 and under. It's for kids 5 and up, and you just give them a teaspoon a day. And what you will see is that long, persistent, lingering cough starts to disappear. However, that is all for today. Please don't forget to follow, follow, and subscribe down below at Granny's Healing. Thank you guys for tuning in to watch me. I really appreciate it. Have a fantastic day.